I get this into the trunk of my car for a trunk or treat? You're gonna find out. This is where I'm gonna set up my trunk or treat. So I gotta open it up.
This is a Honda Odyssey, and I've learned that you can fit a lot in a Honda Odyssey, including a full-size keyboard. So you want to win the trunk or treat contest.
This is an electric piano, soon to be an organ. First, you want to unplug the piano, and then we're going to take out these screws.
I'd recommend having a second person help you carry the piano.
I need something to hide the rest of my car. Maybe a camping pad might work? Or we're gonna go with this big one. Something big and black? I think that'll work. And I'm going to be running on battery, so I need a lot of power to make it sound powerful. So I got this big Pathfinder speaker, and we're going to use this to project the sound. I gotta go on the organ, because every organ needs pipes. So these are PVC pipes, painted gold to look like metal. They should look pretty nice for this organ.
Throw in some other Halloween decorations from your house, and you'll be ready. Oh, let's not forget the costume.
All right, the last part is the costume. So we're working on that, and pretty soon I'll be ready. Here we go. Oh wait, it's time to get some candy. We're running low, aren't we? Oh, that's easier.
So what makes this everyone's favorite? The jumping spider. Don't get me wrong, people loved the organ. But among the kids, the jumping spider was the favorite.
Oh, okay, watch out. Oh shoot. That was broken. That's annoying.